My name's Anna Tyler, and my business is called Anna Cake Couture. We make cakes, we make macarons, we make cookies, anything sweet. I've been making cakes for about 15 years, but Anna Cake Couture was established about 10 years ago. We originally were just a little cake shop where you could come in and order some cakes and coffee and sit down with a plate and a cup of tea. Then COVID happened and our cafe was closed and we had to think outside the box. And we knew that we had to change the delicate little cakes that you ate with a fork to things that people could come and take away. So we started working on cookies and cupcakes. We just went from strength to strength there, producing over 100 occasion cakes a week, selling hundreds of macarons every week. We've gone from having 4 members of staff to about 27. At the heart of the team, we've got myself and Felix, who is my partner. Then we've got Tilly, who is our right-hand person. 15 people in the kitchen, really good bakers and cake decorators. And then we also have our front of house staff in our 2 shops as well. We really like to take on people who are right at the beginning of their cake decorating journey, and then we can teach them the skills that we know, and often, you know, the passion really comes out and it's really lovely to see. In Clifton, we were running out of space and we knew we needed to get a new premises that was larger. We'd heard really great things about Funding Circle through friends that had also used it to secure a deposit and to kit out the new kitchen. There was only one way we would be able to do that. When we got the loan, this space was an empty shell. We had to redo everything. We wanted to put up our glass wall so that we could all see each other. We wanted to have a nice colour floor. The communication was excellent from start to finish. We had the same account manager that held our hand. We were really talked through all the products that they had to offer so we could make a really good decision on what we wanted. Within 24 hours, we had been accepted and we saw the money in the bank really quickly. They were so easy, really quick. It was a no-brainer for us. Getting the loan has opened up possibilities for us for future growth. Now that we've got more space over here, we can start back up the classes that we used to run in Clifton. We did little macaron classes that were just so brilliant. They filled out each time and we've now got the dedicated space to be able to do that again. We've got some pretty high business goals. We want to open more shops. We want more hubs in different cities. We just want to get bigger. It's like a big family. I mean, we work with cake, we're all pretty happy.